API or Node app, whichever the folder you have, right? Type the code space dot enter. Now this folder is open. CMD is here where we can run the program, and this one we have where we are going to write the code. So let us write the next file, page5.js. These all are the node files, page5.js. Inside the page5.js file, we will be writing one. First, we'll try to print one object, and then we'll try to see the array of objects. So let us start with the const HTTP module you have to call. HTTP equal to require. Inside we can write here HTTP. So HTTP module will get called here. Then HTTP dot create server. Callback function will write inside. First will be request. Second will be response. Request and response. Next, you can write here call response dot write head. Response dot write head. Inside that 200 comma content type hyphen type text / JSON, because we are going to give the response to the client in the form of JSON. So first will be one small object, next will be the array of object. Okay, next come down, right here call let user details. Let user details equal to, for example, full name colon. You can also write like this: full name colon Ganesh. Next age colon 40 years. Next city colon Bangalore. Next city colon Bangalore. Next education colon MCA. Okay, user details. After that, now come down below, right? Let JSON data equal to JSON dot stringify. JSON dot stringify user details. So it is just an object holding the property value. You are converting into JSON, and then you will send to where? Client. So this is like when you go to the Node-3.com and you click on view profile. So how many user profile will come? Only one user. Exact similar way. This data will come from database and will convert into JSON, and Node will send to the client in the form of JSON. JSON will receive that data and convert into array object, and finally give to the HTML. HTML will display inside the page. Okay, table, TRT, HTTP, anything. Now come down below, right here, response dot write this JSON data. At last, we'll say response dot end, meaning end of the execution. So at this point, what will happen? A statement execution will be end. Now, after writing that, come in the last. This file will execute, but it will not return anything. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to do dot listen, and we have to assign a port number. On that port number, this file will execute, and it will give you some kind of output, whichever we have written inside the page. Okay, user details. After that, now come down below, right? Let JSON data equal to JSON dot stringify JSON.stringify user details. So it is just an object holding the property value. You are converting into JSON and then you will send to the client. So this is like when you go to the 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵𝖃 and you click on view profile. So how many user profile will come? Only one user. Exact similar way. This data will come from database and will convert into JSON, and Node will send to the client in the form of JSON. JSON will receive that data and convert into array object and finally give to the HTML. HTML will display inside the page. Okay, table, TRT, HTTP, anything. Now come down below, right here, response.write this JSON data. At last, we'll say response.end, meaning end of the execution. So at this point, what will happen? A statement execution will be end. Now, after writing that, come in the last. This file will execute, but it will not return anything. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to do .listen, and we have to assign a port number. On that port number, this file will execute, and it will give you some kind of output, whichever we have written inside the page.
Suppose the passing this JSON type and other one technically like response type takes on JSON data. So sir technically
That will become the next. Client will confuse. Client, you are sending half data JSON and half data H1. So it is the wrong format of JSON. Client cannot convert into either HTML and will not convert into JSON. Okay. Anyone, either HTML or JSON. Okay, if you are sending both, one line response.write HTML, another line response.write JSON. Now how client will convert? Because client will get a request to the response together, and together data is coming garbage. It will say JSON parsing error. Okay, JSON, when it will try to convert from JSON to array, it will throw the error. It will say unvalid and going to pass. Okay, complete. Hope written everyone. Now after sending the response, write here one console.log also, so that we'll come to know my server is live now. Right here, your server is live. Live on http://localhost 1111. We can put here on /n also, it will break the line. Your server is live on /n http something. Okay. Error. Let us see now how it is going to happen. So how to compile? Node space Node1. Node1 space page 5. It is saying something here. A starting node page 5. Okay, so this line is not printed. Once request will come here, then this line will print. Okay, because this line is written inside, request will come, then this line will print. Okay, so let us, yes, now copy this URL and run in your browser and then check whether request is coming or not. It is not printing. Okay, not printing. The reason is here. This line, console.log. Text JSON is okay. Content type. Okay, in browser, mine is gone. JSON is coming. JSON data, JSON.stringify user details.
Hi sir, mine is printing sir, the name, everything.
Printing?
Yeah, maybe you put, you added 4111.
Oh, I have added 5 times.
5 times, yeah.
So 5 times I have added. No, here is the problem. Here I have written only 4 times. In console you can print anything. What I have written is anyone check in the browser? Okay, I have given here 5. See, it's coming on a time. Okay? I have given the 5 port number, 5 digit. Even it should print in console also. Your server is live on this, your server is live on this. So how many times request will go here? That statement will print here. That will print in CMD. Console.log will come under where? That's CMD. Here in console it will give you something else. You can see in console, in network data will come. Data will come here in the network here. The console what we have written, that console will not be visible now in the browser. Because we are hitting the API directly. We are not hitting into the client. Directly we have given the request. Okay, so one record will come
them data.
Other than me, any other, how many of you are working? Is it pending?
Working, sir.
So this is for one user details. When we click on view profile, it will display one user details. Okay. So here also you will get the data in the form of array, and that array you convert it into JSON, and JSON you are sending as a response to the client. Client will capture this URL, and whichever the response will come, that response will be displayed inside the browser. Okay, coming to the next. This file we will leave. We'll create another file, exact copy of Siddharth file. The best we have done. In the second file, page 6.js. Page 6.js will not have only one array, it will have multiple objects. Then it will convert into array of object. Okay, so what we will do is, let's keep here user, variable name change to user, equal to square bracket open and square bracket close. Square bracket open, square bracket close. Next, after that, one user we have added. Let's come down. We need to add some more users. If comma, follow the same thing. Add 3 code. Change the name. Ganesh Mahesh. Alex Raj. Then 40 years, 48 years, 42 years, 49 years, 40 years. Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Chennai, MCA, BCA, DCA, CA. Right? So some data we added. Values are different, but property remain same. Okay, rotate, come down below. Now user you convert into JSON and let it be on the same port number. This console.log you can remove. Compile this file and then save. Page 6, you can come to the CMD. Page 6, enter. Go to the browser. Refresh the page. Data will come from the backend in the form of array of object. this data. Okay, let us do one more example. That will be the nested array, array of array inside array. We'll get more idea. Okay, very good. Next file we can create page7.js. Page7.js. We can copy the many things from the page6 and page7, and this array part you will modify. User array is same, but we will modify the data. Array name is same, but we will modify the data. Come inside. Let's follow one. Everybody call city name. Then customer array. Change the city name. Mangalore, Chennai, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata. Now from each city, we will add 5 unique users. From each city, we will add 5 unique users. Let's go to the Bangalore. Ajit, Samir, Adam, Ulekha, Sakti. From Bangalore, Tarina, Anil, 2 users from Bangalore. From Chennai, Santosh, Ali, Samant, Uday. From Pune, Sunil, Kaushik, Satyam, Sitya, Murari. From Delhi, Talat, Mukul. So yeah, any name can add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Kolkata, Surojit, okay, it is here. There are this many users. hope done. Save the file. Let's compile it. Okay. Seven. Then the browser browser. You will find data will come like this. City Bangalore and customer how many? So many. City Bangalore customer so many. So this becomes the array of object as well as nested array. Array inside array. Display format is no problem. I will also run in Mozilla. Age में है. Let me run in age. Age will format the data by default. Same thing, no? You can run in age and then see in age, high age. Run in high age, you will understand actual format of the data. Run in high age, it will look well formatted. You will come to know where is my data, which one is where. Able to see in age.
Browser कैसे प्रोसेस करता है उसको browser होता है तो कैसे डिस्प्ले करता है?
Browser was designed based on different engine. Every browser is not same. Every browser has their own engine. Okay, so it's not same. So it's same then everywhere looks same. It is not same. It's all are different. Okay, so hope ready. Come next. Next we need to work on. Next we need to work on both front end and back end. Okay, front end and back end. So now you come to the project folder and look at that. Do you have any React app folder? Or how many people React is set up a new project? They should reply yes. Set up, they should reply no. Chat. You can reply chat, I'll guide accordingly. Yes or no, you can reply. If you have React app folder, then yes. If not, then no. Okay, now let us see for how many people it's not there. So for Geeta, yes. For Kutsa, no. For Mankesh, no. For Manasri, no. Madhu, no. Adil Patnaik also no. Then the remaining who and all. For Chatra, it is there. Chatra, then next who is Pawan Kumar, Rudra Narayan. For Chatra, it is there. Okay, Rudra Narayan, for yours. Look like he is not there. Okay, so what we have to do now? Whoever have no any project folder of which one? React, because this file we are running it is okay, but we need to communicate from the React to Node. Correct? Then only it will look like interesting what you are doing and what you are learning. Okay. So come next, I'll guide you. People who are not set up, they should follow me. So what we do is go here. You have already one folder, this one, Node app folder, right? Open the CMD. See, next CMD should not open under the Node app. CMD open outside. You can see how I have created folder called Marn. Under the Marn, I have this folder structure. Similar way, you have a Node app. Now you open the CMD here. Open the CMD here. That is out of your project folder. Out of which one? Out of the Node folder. Out of the Node folder. Okay. And create quickly one React project. npx create React app. npx create React app. React app. Run quickly this command. I have already installed. Project we have already. The people who are missing, they should create a project in React using this command. npx create React app. React app. Run this command quickly. Once it gets complete, reply yes. Reply completed. Once it gets installed, in the last it will show you happy hacking. Once you run the command, it will show in the last call happy hacking. Once you receive the happy hacking message, reply in the chat as completed. You will reply in the chat as completed. Then from there, we can continue. Please run it quickly. Once it complete, reply yes. Done. Then we'll move ahead. Done. Oh, very fast. Okay, so hope no one is going on. 2, 3, 4, 5 have said no, they are completed. Very good. So now we will go to the React app folder and open the CMD. Come to the React app folder and open the CMD. Or instead of doing that, hold on. Yeah, we have to open the CMD anyhow. This is under the React app. Under the React app, you open the CMD. There you will write npm start. npm start. Let it start the React server. एक मिनट स्टार्टिंग करने also. Let it start. By then come to your VS Code, and in VS Code already we have loaded the which one? Node app. Now go to the file and add folder to workspace. Go to the file and select the add folder to workspace. Add folder to workspace, and which folder you will select? React app. Select the React app. That React will also get loaded here. Node was already there. Along with that, what will come? React will come. So what we did, go to the file, option was open folder, not open folder. Add folder to workspace. Add folder to workspace. Then we selected the React app. It add that got loaded here. Okay, so now in one VS Code you have both React also, Node also. But both are running on different browser. Both are running on different server. Yeah. One is 2 CMD we have. One CMD we have for the Node, and one more CMD we have for the React. Okay, for Node we have a separate CMD, and for React we have the separate CMD. No problem. This is not, you are not going to run like this, no? This is the API. It has to go to the React. It will not, just we have tested this how it is running, okay? So it will not run like this. This URL we have to give to page function in React. React will read and display inside the page. Okay, so hope you have this page is running already. Which one? 2 CMD is there now. I should tell you first, there's 2 CMD. The one CMD is for the React development server, and another CMD is for the Node. Node1 is running in that, correct? With the help of Node.js, Node1, we have combined the files, and both are running something like this. So if you stop the React will stop. If you stop the Node will stop. So both should be running. Then only we get the output.
So JSON server start करते थे अभी यहाँ से लेंगे तो अगर मान लो डायरेक्ट नोड से लेंगे
Before we used to take the data from JSON server. Now we will take the data from where? Node server. From Node server. The JSON server you have used, that was the fake API, and Node server will be the real API. Okay, so both is combined for both. Hope your React page is running, correct? Let us come to the React file now. This file Node is running. Let it be. Don't stop that. Okay, go to the React src app.js. 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 Let it be. Create another file in src. That is called. What is the URL we are calling? This URL we are calling. No? Correct. So we can write called customer.js. Create a file customer.js. .js under the React folder. Under the src, you made the file called customer.js. Customer.js. Next, come to the customer file. Right inside const my customer equal to return h1, not h1, for the division tag. In division tag, write h1 customer list. Export default my customer. Export default my customer. Okay, got it? Export default my customer. Come next to the app.js file. In app.js file, we have to import the my customer. Okay, my customer. Node.js, remove other import, remove this other header and all, remove app and all, keep an empty tag, open empty tag, close, and inside you write my customer. Once you write here my customer, automatically import will happen. Or import in the beginning and then call the my customer. Okay, and then check in the browser, it's working or not. Save it, look into the browser, your customer page is loaded. Static data, customer page is loaded with the static data. Working. Okay, customer list is coming, correct? Let us go now to the customer file. Okay, in customer file, I give an align equal to center. Align equal to center. Now we need to follow the fetch function and get the data from where? Node.js. So for that purpose, you have to call in the beginning import use state. Use state. Import in the beginning, call use state. Okay, and now come inside, create a variable let all user, comma, update user equal to use state empty array. So we declared a empty array. Okay, right, come next. We have to write a function display app.js. This is the app.js. See quickly. Okay, so done. Okay, good. Come to the customer file. Write a function called get const date customer. Right arrow. Right inside fetch function. Under fetch function, you will give this URL, the current running URL. That is the localhost colon 1111 dot then response json dot then customer array okay, done now for the update user, and in update user what will pass? Customer array. Customer array will give to update user. From update user where it will go? All user. It will go under the state. But question is how to call this customer array, get customer. So for that we have to use the use state. So use state we are calling, call one more called use effect. Use effect in the beginning. Use state you called, call one more called use effect. Okay, so done here, everyone, come down. We have to call now use effect, under the use effect, here, date customer function. And after that, you have to add inside square bracket and 1. Square bracket 1. Okay, got it? Get user. After that, 1. Let us go next. Next, what we have to do is, before running this file, okay, let's print down the length of the user. Customer list, all user dot length. All user dot length. I will guide you how to run this. We have to install one extension. After that, it will give the output. So length is important. Length will not come. Just hold on. Because Node is running in different port. React is running in different port. Both have different caste. Both are not agree to believe on each other. So when the request will go from the React to Node, Node will say, sorry, I don't know who are you. I can't give the data. Means Node will refuse to give the data to whom? To the React. Okay. So we have to install extension now for temporary purpose. Later we'll install another package. So after installing that extension, when the request will go from the React to Node, Node will trust that this is the authenticated request, valid request. Then only the Node will give the data. Else Node will say cross origin. I don't know who are you. I cannot give the data. Who will say Node? So in Node we have a package cross package. We will install, then it will happen. But now that installation will do with this one, College Express. Okay, so now only Node is running. Okay, so we have made a temporary API. A temporary API we are calling here. Okay, now to make it functional, first come to your Chrome. Open the Chrome, and in Chrome search called install cors everywhere. Install CORS. Install cors everywhere. In Chrome, not in Mozilla. Do in Chrome. Cors, install cors everywhere. You are installing in Chrome, so you have to search in Chrome only. Install cors everywhere.
But I'm running browser in Edge.
Open in Chrome. In Edge, it will, extension is not there. No?
Extension को सर्च करने का है, लेकिन वो browser पर है Edge.
अभी हम बताएंगे आपको. पहले इंस्टॉल कीजिए इसको. Okay, so done that. Open. You will click on the first link. Click on the first link. Chrome is there, Chrome, right? After clicking on first link Chrome, it will ask you that add extension to Chrome. Any button is there? Add extension to Chrome or add to Chrome. I have already installed, so for me it will come in remove from Chrome. For you it should come somewhere called add to Chrome. You will click on add to Chrome. और आ गया? If Chrome is not there, please install it. Happen, add it to the Chrome. Let me know you have added or not. After adding, I'm guiding how to enable it. One person log out. Rudra Narayan. This way, no one can learn the results. This one. Okay. Added, enable. Remaining people also should say something. Install and let me know, because for now that extension is required. Okay.
No, this was not useful. Within several such people.
Okay, next after that, you can look into the top right side. Search same thing in the Firefox. What we are installing in Chrome, you can search on internet, same thing in Firefox. Open Firefox and search in that. What will you search? This one, install course everywhere. Okay, now after that, you see here, in the right hand side, you will see one icon. Click on that. Inside you will find this one. Click on this. On this extension icon, you will find this allow course control, let's say something. If you click on that, it will open like this. So this represents that extension is disabled here now. Extension is disabled.
So download add the
add the extension which I added already. Okay, click on that icon. After that, click on allow course extension. This will open like this. C is there with the 3 dots, gray color. Gray color means disabled. Gray is disabled. We have to click on this. Now it's becoming enable. Gray means disabled. Click on that. This becomes enable. So hope everyone enable it. Now open here localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. You will find the length will appear. Customer list 6. You will find the customer list area 6. But this extension should be red. Then you click on this, by default will be gray. You click on this. Once you click, it will become red. Once it is red, then what will happen? Once it is red, then what will happen? From React, the request will go to the where? Node. So when the React will send a request to the node, along with the request, one authentication will also go to the node. So that node will believe that it is a valid request. If you disable that, it will not work. Page URL. Your server is running, node server. There. Okay, let down. React. Now come to your code. कहाँ लिखा है? ये क्या लिखा? HTTP कौन लिखा है यहाँ पे? HTTP लिखना है ना? HTTP://. Okay, so data is coming. Let us come inside your page and run a map. All user dot map inside user comma index. User comma index. All user dot map user comma index. Return field set. Return field set. Inside follow the legend. Print that user dot city. It will print all the city name. For field set, you have to write the key property also. Index. Key as the index. It will appear like this. Field set will appear everywhere. Check now. Field set is coming. Multiple field set will appear. Field set. Now you can see your data was in which format? Data was line. City we printed. Remaining customer is in the form of array. Customer is in the form of array. So check now. City is coming for everyone. It should print the list of city. If length was coming, then definitely city has to print. Definitely city has to print. So one person says something, we'll wait for everyone. For 4 people it's coming. Very good. Check everyone. Shall I give you this complete code? Right. Now come there. Under the field set, you have to write second map. That is called user dot customer dot map. Full name, comma index 2. Return paragraph. You will write inside for full name. For paragraph, you write T equal to index 2. It will print you customer also. Index 2. It will print the customer also. In every city, how many customers are there? All will get printed. You can see here, right? In one city, how many customers? All will print. This is the code. Have a look. The inner level map function I sent in your chat. Please check it. See, all users are printing. Okay, very good. Data is not coming. गलत देखो आप मैप go to the code. कहाँ पे? All user dot map, user index, return field set, user dot city, again map. नीचे वाले को कट के जाने वाले को इसको कट के जाने. नहीं कट मतलब पूरा कट करवा. Control Z first. कट that बनाओ. Save में. Yes. All user dot map. That is stop. Stop हो गया क्या? First one. So that was. Okay, then okay, sir. Then okay, sir. Data is coming. Something like this, right? It is coming to here. Okay. Now we can write some CSS. CSS लिखे तो क्या करेंगे? We can write some CSS for this one. For which one? It's this one सकते हैं. problem. Hey, your this one is enable. ये देखो ये enable है. नहीं ये disable हो गया दिखाइए हमको. Go to the CSS file index.css. Click on click. CSS write for field set. Click on width 20%. ऐसा करके मैसेज कर दीजिए. Display in a line below. Vertically line top. Okay, just write this. You will find like this something. 4 will come in one line. We need to give some margin also. Just use it again. Margin 2%. So all the side there will be 2% gap. If you have reduced to 18% somewhere. After that it will fit 4 blocks like this. Right hand border 2 pixel dotted red color. So border 2 pixel dot red color will appear. For legend, with the right font size 25 pixel and color as blue. For legend, something like this. Data come from the node and display under the career. So write it here. So hopefully your CSS is working and your React is also working as well as data is coming from the node. Just paying right. Then thank you for today and we'll see you on next Saturday. last class video are uploaded till yesterday. Today video will upload in half an hour. Once it will convert into MP4, you can have a look. Don't be absent, attend regular. For video access, they will give you access tomorrow. Oh, counselor. Video access, whoever are in the group, for everyone, she will be giving the access on video part. Node 1 is not working. You can restart the Node 1, it will work. I will share you the file of Node. Page number 7 I'll share in the chat, as well as customer.js file I'll share in the chat. You can stop the server and run it both servers. Customer.js I sent. You can replace the file. Next I will send you the page 7.js. So both file you have, you can replace the